Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Vijayta online classes. In the previous session, we have learned about the structure of HTML. About the structure of HTML. Structure means what is the layout of HTML. Structure of HTML, layout of HTML. The layout of HTML, the structure of HTML is divided into two sections. That section is known as here head section and body section. Head section and body section. In the same way, head section and the body section. Head section is used to create the name of the web page. Head section is used to create the name of the web page, and body section is used to design the web page. The body section is used to design the web page. Let us see here how to write a simple HTML program. In the previous class we have learned here how to write a HTML program. It is the starting of HTML tag and the ending of the HTML tag. The starting of the HTML tag, we have HTML tag. This is known as here HTML tag, and the ending of HTML tag. Let us see here how we are going to, if you wanted to write any program, you have to write in between these two only. It is starting of the HTML program and ending of the HTML program. In the previous section we have learned these two tags we have learned, and let us see here in this between these two tags we have to use only the tags itself. Everything we have to written in the form of tags. Everything we have to written in the form of tags. Everything we have to written in the form of tags. In the previous session we have learned ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ HTML ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ట్యాగ్ లాగానే రాయాలి. Is it clear all of you? And let us see here, we are going to move to the next class is here. Next class, what is the structure of HTML? What is the structure of HTML? See here, the structure of HTML is divided into two sections, head section and body section. Head section and body section. In this head section, it starts with head tag. Head section end with slash head tag. And the body section is start with body tag and ends with slash body tag. This is the head tag, starting head tag, and this is the ending head tag. This is starting body tag and this is ending body tag. See here, HTML starts and HTML ends. When HTML starts, it is known as starting of HTML. When HTML ends, it is known as here ending of HTML program. Make a note it all of you here. Let us see here the structure of HTML program. Always the program can be written in the form of like this. Inside we can write any tags, but you have to write every program is going to be have HTML starting tag, HTML ending tag, and you have the body section, and you have the head section, and you have the body section. Let us see here the structure of HTML program. Every HTML program is must starts with starting tag and must ends with ending tag. See here, our house is there. Our house, we have the entrance is there, and and outer we also have the stop, that is starting gate and the ending gate will be here. In the same way, here also we have the starting of HTML and ending of HTML. Every program is going to be written in the form of like this: starting HTML tag and ending HTML tag. And in this tag, starting and the ending of HTML tag is divided into two sections. In the previous class we have seen here, seen right? In the previous class we have seen here. In the previous class we have seen here head section and the body section. Head section means here head tag will be there, starting head tag will be there. ending head tag will be there. Body section means here the body starting undali, body ending we also have here. In the same way here, in the same way, let us see here HTML starting, HTML ending. HTML is divided into how many sections here? Two sections. HTML is divided into two sections. In these two sections, we have head is starting head, ending head, starting body and ending body. When head starts, it is the head section. When the head ends, it is the end of the head section. And that is nothing but it is used to create the name of the web page. We have to write in this between the head and the starting head and the ending head, you have to write the name of the web page. ఈ స్టార్టింగ్ హెడ్లో ఎండింగ్ హెడ్లో ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాము అంటే ఇట్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు క్రియేట్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది వెబ్ పేజ్. ఇట్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు క్రియేట్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది వెబ్ పేజ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ in this body section is always starts with starting of the body and the ending of it ends with ending of the body. And what is the use of this body section means here? It content means here I can design the web page with text. I can design the web page with a animation. I can design the web page with the images. I can design a web page with image with audio, video, pictures, animation. Everything can be done in the body. Everything can be done in the body. That is the use of here body section. And what is the use of here head section means here head section is always used only to create the name of the web page. To create the name of the web page, that's all. You have to create only the name of the web page. But where it has the body section, I can create anything. I can write in the web page, I can write a text. In the web page, I can write the images. In the web page, I can design the videos. I can design the audios. I can play anything. I can create anything in the body section. The body section starts with body tag and the body section ends with body ending tag. In the same way here, let us see here, this is the structure of HTML. Always the HTML program is written in the form of like this. Always the HTML program is written in the form of like this. That means here always every time when we are going to be write any program, you compulsory it must be have head section, it must be have body section. Head section is used to create the name of the web page and the body section is used to design the web page. It contains of content. It consisting of content. Content means anything. Content means here anything. Let us see here. I am going to give an example here. Our body is there. Our body is divided into how many parts here? Our body is divided into how many parts here? Two parts. Our body is divided into how many parts here? Two parts. Head section and the body section. Head section, with the help of head, I can identify the person is a male or a female. And the person I can identify the person is a, if you know the person, we can identify by seeing only. That means that is the use of here head. In the same way, here the head is used to create the name of the web page. Head is used to create the name of the web page. With the help of body, you are going to be create the content of web page. With the help of the body, you are going to create the content of web page. That is the main use of here. That is the main use of here head section and the body section. మనము తలని చూసే ఎవరో అని గుర్తుపడతాం. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఎ నేమ్ ఐ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ వెబ్ పేజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. What type of web page it is. The Facebook is there. With the help of Facebook only I can easily identify it is a social media. Right? I can identify if it is Osmania University. The name is here Osmania University. I can identify it is an university. Next here Amazon is there. Amazon is a website. Amazon is a web page. With the help of a name, I can easily identify it as shopping. It is only used for the online shopping. In the same way, here is also it can be created by head. It can be created by head section. HTML, the structure of HTML is starting HTML and ending HTML. This HTML is divided into two sections. HTML is divided into two sections. Say with me all of you here. Head section is divided into two sections. Head section and HTML is divided into two sections. Head section and the body section. Head section is only used to create the name of the web page, and the body section is only used to design the content of web page. Design the content of web page or design the web page. And let us see here, we are going to be learn every every program is going to be written in the form of tags. Every program is going to be written in the form of tags. Let us see here. Here also we have how many types of tags we have. Let us see, next topic is here, types of tags. Types of tags. Here we have two types of tags we have. Paired tags and unpaired tags. Paired tags and unpaired tags. Paired tags is also known as here container tags, and unpaired tags is also known as here empty tags. Empty tags. And let us see here, we are going to be learning about the paired tags. Paired tags, it has a starting tag and ending tag. Paired tags అని ఎప్పుడు అంటాం, రెండు సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, రెండు tags must be the same. One is a starting tag, another one is here ending tag. Ending tags must be contains slash. Only difference between the starting and the ending is nothing but here slash is there. If slash html is there means it is the ending of html. See here, it can also has opening tag and closing tag. Opening tag means here html, closing tag means here slash html tag. Opening tag means here html tag, closing tag means here slash html tag. Let us see here, I am going to give an example here. Two birds are there. Two birds are pair. These are the pair. Pair means here two are the same color, same size and same everything, both are the same. ఒకటి ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఒకటి ఏం చేస్తుంది HTML. కంపల్సరీ రెండు సేమ్ ఉండాలి. Close. Let us see an example here. Two, but what is the difference between these two here? That is the difference between starting tag and ending tag. See here, this is starting ending HTML. This is starting HTML and this is here ending HTML. That is the difference between the two. These tags we are going to be call it as here paired tag. These tags we are going to be call it as here paired tags. See here, I am going to tell you once again here. Here the two tags are there here. Two birds are there here. Two birds are the same birds. But what is the difference here? One is open, another one is here close. That means here ఇక్కడ రెండు బర్డ్స్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కానీ ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది, ఒకటి నోరు తెరిచింది, ఇంకొకటి నోరు. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ బర్డ్స్. The two birds are same. That's why we are going to be call it as here. That's why we are going to be call it tags. That's why we are going to be call it as paired tags. And let us see here. Once again, I am repeating here. Types of tags. Types of tags means here types of humans. Types of peoples means here we have male and female. In the same way, here also we have here types of tags. In the types of tags you have opening tag and closing tag, or starting tag and ending tag. Here I am going to give an example here. Two birds are same color, same size, both are the same. But what is the difference here? It must be an start opening tag, it must be an closing. It must be one is open, another one is closed. That is the difference. Both are pair. That's why we are going to be call it as here paired tags. And come to the point here. See, these two are paired tags. One is starting tag, another one is ending tag. Starting HTML and ending HTML. And next, next let us see. Unpaired tags. Unpaired tags means here unpaired tags. Unpaired tags means here unpaired tag is also known as empty tag. Unpaired tags is also known as here empty tag, which does not have ending tag, which does not have ending tag, which does not have closing tag. It contains only one tag. It contains only one tag. Let us see example BR tag. BR tag is an only unpaired tag. BR tag is only a unpaired tag. BR means here break. Break the text or a next line. See here. I am going to give an example here. Tree is there. Tree starting is here. అది ఎక్కడి వరకు పెరుగుతుందో మనకు తెలుస్తుందా? We don't know. It does not have ending point. It does not have ending point. That means here the tree is the best example. It is only unpaired, because here I given 2 but it is unpaired tag. That means here it has starting point, it does not have ending point. Is it right? The starting is from the root, but the ending is there. Anything it much height will be any specified height will be given for the tree? No. How much energy is there? It going to be growth depends upon the earth or depends upon the soil. Is it right? That means here only starting point will be only it can be have, it does not have end point. That means here BR tag, see here what is the best example here, pair tags here. HTML starting, HTML ending. It has two HTML both are the same. But what is the difference here? It is a starting, it is a ending. And come to the point here, the next one here, it is unpaired tags. Unpaired tags is also known as here empty tags, which does not have ending and closing. Starting ఉంటుంది కానీ దానికి ending అనేది ఉండదు. దాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? We are going to be say it is an unpaired tags. Unpaired tags. Right. Example of unpaired tags is known as here BR tag. BR tag. BR means here break. BR means here break. BR means here break. Let us see here what is the use of break means here. I wanted to the letter has to change into the next line. I can use here break in the web page. I can use in the break in the web page. Is it clear? After empty tag I can continue from the here. Why I am not continued here? Because it is the next point. That's why I continued here. That's why to change the next line in the web page we are going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here break tag. That tag is known as here break tag. Is it clear all of you? Let us see here. Today we have learned here the structure of HTML. The structure of HTML program is divided into two things, two parts. That means head section and body section. Head section starting head section ending head. Body section starting of body and ending of body. Everything we are going to be write in between the starting of HTML and ending of HTML. Every program must be contains of tags, all tags. It is this is one tag, this is one tag, this is one tag, this is one tag. All are here. All tags we are going to be used. And come to the point here. Types of tags. Here the types of tags are two tags, paired tags and unpaired tags. Unpaired tags is also known as here empty tags, and paired tags is also known as here container tags. Paired tags means here it must be have opening tag, it must be have closing tag, it must be have starting tag, it must be have ending tag. That is, the example is here starting of HTML, ending of HTML. I have given here birds are two birds, one is open, another one is closed. These are the pair. That's why we are going to be call it as here paired tags. Here we have two tags. Here we have two. That's why we are going to be call it as here paired. And let here we have only, it has only one tag. It has only one tag. That means here only one tag is, it does not have two tags, only it have only one tag, that is known as here br tag. Example I am giving here, this is a tree. The tree will have a starting point, but tree cannot be have the ending point, ending section it cannot be there. How much it going to be grow we can't know. That means here it has only, I am going to give an only this example to understand. And next here it is a br tag. We have learned here the types of tags. How many types of tags we have here? Two types of tags. Two types of tags we have learned here. Paired tags and unpaired tags. Pair means here two. Unpaired means one. If you have a two tags same, it is known as here paired tags. If a tag contain only one, it is known as here unpaired tags. If you understand this picture, you can easily understand this paired. See here picture is very clear and very easy to understand. Thank you all. We will going to see in the next class.